Hi, Milorad here. I'm here at Springfield Park in Rolette, Texas. Park that I go probably 85% of time. And this is the park that I have my best photo shoots. Beautiful, beautiful birds and also insects as well. Okay, let's go in and see what we can find today. And I hope you can hear there's a kind of summer noise that is happening in this park, in this field. I think those are insects. Chirping or whatever they do, making this kind of familiar noise because I have it in my backyard, especially at night. Okay, let's go to the park and see what we can find to photograph today. There is that soccer field. There's probably lots of stranded small fish because of these gulls are flying over. I wanted to start taking pictures, but there's interesting noise. Coming from those birds. There is a little gym, outdoor gym, or a couple of those exercise equipment right there. They are underwater, and the ball field is underwater, and here it's completely underwater. And when that tree there in the middle is, it's usually pathway, and now it's all underwater. And try to take some pictures of those birds when they are still here. lots of commotion going on here. I think some kind of hawk came on this tree, and some of those birds are complaining about it. I don't know if hawks eats fish as well. Let's see if I can spot him and maybe take some pictures. There is that red-shouldered hawk on this tree. I think he has something, and he's eating actually. I think he got something from there, and he's eating it right now. There's two of red-shouldered hawks right there next to each other. Definitely new creatures flying around. Thank you very much for watching. Milorad out.